Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Emmanuela Okon. If it's your first time, welcome. So in this video, it's going to be a makeup tutorial, and guess what guys, I just purchased this Fenty matte lipstick, like from the new collection that Rihanna just launched. That was I think she launched it like December last year, like during Christmas and everything. So I never got the chance to actually see the lipsticks, or I've just been watching YouTube videos and seen other YouTubers try on the lipsticks, and I was like, oh, okay, I'm actually going to check out these lipsticks. And the thing is, I saw the shade called Midnight Wasabi. That's the one I have on. I actually saw that shade on Justin Sky, and I was like, this thing actually looks nice, so I should probably get this shade and everything. So I went to Sephora I think that was on Sunday, so 2 days ago from now. I don't know when you'll be seeing this video, but yeah, I went to Sephora and I tried it on. And the thing is, I did not try it on with a lip liner, so I was so shocked at how it came out. And I was like, this is actually really nice. But usually when I put on lipsticks, I like to put a lip liner, and I was like, for this one I had to put a lip liner. So in this video, you'll be seeing what the product I used. You'll be seeing my usual makeup routine and stuff like that. So just stay tuned for this video. I hope you guys like this video. If you aren't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. If you like my content, give this video a thumbs up, share to your friends. So let's get right into this video. I'll see you guys at the end of the video. Bye. Okay guys, so at this point I found out that my microphone wasn't working, and so I was just explaining how I got this lipstick from Sephora and how I also use this lip liner. Actually, it's like an eyeliner, but you could use it both ways. It's from Urban Decay, so that's what I used to line my lips, and I'll just be showing you guys how I applied the lipstick. So yeah.
How you feel, how you feel? You so trip off that shit I was kicking.
please do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't. If you like my content, like this video, and do not forget to check out my previous videos. Yeah. See you guys.